Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sure all you Cocoa Vanilla Studio fans out there have been anxiously awaiting the arrival of this collection that has just landed on my doorstep this morning. This is my design team pack of the new Merry & Bright collection from Cocoa Vanilla Studio. I'm super excited about this. This is actually my finals week for my final semester of my uni degree, so I really don't have the time to be unboxing this. I shouldn't be unboxing this, but how could I resist? So I'm going to try and really quickly get through unboxing this and showing you guys what's in here. I have to say I am pretty devastated that I already bought a bunch of stuff for my December daily and built my kit before I saw this new collection, because this was exactly what I was looking for. It's exactly the colors I wanted. It would have been perfect, and I'm kicking myself. So I may still use some of this in my December daily. There are pocket cards in this. It's perfect for December daily. Absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to make lots of 12 by 12 layouts with it. I still do Christmas 12 by 12 layouts, quite a few in my albums every year, so I'm not going to have any issues using this. If you can hear like bustling and rustling noises behind me, apologies, but my cat is in my office and I have a big empty Officeworks box that he is currently in love with, so I'm not going to disturb him. He's having a fun time. Oh, look at all these beautiful bits and pieces. Oh my gosh. I love Christmas. I love it. I love scrapping for it. I love preparing for it. I love the whole shebang. I love it. This is all the Merry & Bright. Oh! Those puffy stars. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm going to be a bit squealy and high-pitched, I'm afraid. I'm really excited about this stuff. Before I get started, I just want to mention that this is a very limited run. If you want this, buy it now, because it's a Christmas collection. There's a smaller run of it. There's going to be less available, and there's not going to be any more made. So if you want it, grab it. Just get it now, because it's going to be gone really quickly. It's been really popular. There's been a lot of interest. It's absolutely stunning. You don't want to miss out on this kit. So I will leave links in the description box to the Cocoa Vanilla Studio website, where there will be lists of stockists, and B, to the Cocoa Vanilla Studio community Facebook group, where if you can't find a stockist yourself, you can post on there and ask the amazing Cocoa Vanilla Studio community to see if they know anyone who is stocking it, because lots of people have found stockists through the Facebook group. So that is definitely a good place to start. I really don't know where to start, so I'm just going to start from the top down. The puffy stars. I mean, look at these. Look at these. They're so cute. They're fabric. They're beautiful gold. They're puffy, so they're quite a lot like the puffy hearts in the Daydream collection, but they're like a shiny, smooth metallic finish rather than the ribbed corduroy. They're really lovely texture. Oh, I can't stop touching them. Nice little puffy stars. Not two-dimensional. They're not too thick. Still quite flat. So how sweet are those? I'm going to use this up instantly. Then we have the flare. Oh, I love flare. Again, I wish I had 10 packs of these. I just love flare. So we have a really cute little joy, a little Santa head, the hearts, 25 December, Merry & Bright, and a little Christmas tree. And you may notice in this collection, there's not going to be a whole lot that references winter, which is amazing for those of us who are in the Southern Hemisphere, and we have summer right in the middle of the Christmas season, and it's really hot, and we don't want to be using icons like falling snow and snowflakes and snowmen and things like that. So, all right, let's see. All right, let's do the ephemera. I'm just going to tip it all out on my desk. Oh, look at these florals. I mean, they're so beautiful, but they're still so Christmassy. I mean, they're the perfect Christmas colors. This almost looks like a poinsettia. You've got the holly leaves, little berries, so sweet. Little Christmas tree, Santa, sleigh. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have so much fun creating with this collection. I can't freaking wait to get started. Oh, these ornaments on a string. Okay, I've got ideas ready. Little snow globe, so cute. Bigger Christmas tree. Oh, little houses. Oh, little gingerbread houses. Oh my gosh, I've got so many ideas. Oh, there's heaps. Awesome. Oh, I'm so excited. I've got so many ideas. Little banners with all the words on them. I love these. I love that they always include plenty of little smaller bits, little bits of foliage, little leaves, little berries. It's just so much easier to use. You've got a nice mix of tags and banners and wordy bits, but then you also have all these images. You have a bunch of the little hearts, which I love. So heaps of those in varying sizes. Heaps of those. Awesome. Little leaves, a little tag, another little tag, and then you have these pieces which are always included in CVS collections. So the nice big circular berry wreath. I think I might have to use that in my December daily. It's perfect. Look at it. And then you have this small one on the inside. I'm just going to pop those out now. So I have them all ready to use. They're popping out beautifully. Nice, beautiful minty green frame with white stars all over it and these little tags inside. And then actually this is 2 frames, so that red one's separate. Have the A5 paper stack. Okay, so they've changed it from 6x8 to A5. Just get my ruler and double check, because A5 and 6x8 aren't quite the same. Yep, so it is slightly under 6 inches. 5 and 6.5/8. Does that make sense? Oh, I hate imperial measurements. A5 is a standard paper size in Australia, so that's why these are being changed to A5 clearly. So they're 8 and 8.25 inch long. Slightly different to 6x8, a little bit narrower, a little bit longer. So that is something just to keep in mind. Okay, let's flip through. So it's 26 designs, 2 of each. And you have a beautiful little floral. So these tend to be just the same designs that are in the 12x12, but scaled down, which is really nice when it comes to things like fussy cutting little bits and pieces. Oh, this is beautiful. This pink little spots. White with falling stars. Isn't that beautiful? How beautiful is that little sprinkling of stars? So if you turn it that way, it looks like they're falling down. Oh, love. Really sweet mint green and white check. A nice aqua with a teal little, they're not snowflakes, they're not really stars, they're like little, they're just little line like hatch stars. They're cute. White with a bunch of little Christmas trees all over it. Mint green with white Christmas trees, I love that to death. You have a white speckle polka dot with, I don't know whether you can see, it's all the colors that are in the collection. So then we have the smaller cut apart sheet. So you have a bunch of the elements that are on the larger cut apart sheet, just a bit smaller, just beautiful colors, really nice to fussy cut. A white with it's actually a dark gray script. It says jingle all the way, oh what fun. So it's the actual lyrics to Jingle Bells. How cute is that? A teeny tiny floral pattern, really nice for backing photos and cut files and things like that. There's no way I'm fussy cutting that, no way. Then a red and pink candy cane stripe and a wood grain. What a beautiful tone. I love that it's really distressed as well. How beautiful. All right, next we have the journal cards, or pocket cards as they're being called. So they're all 3x4 and they're 18 double-sided designs, 2 of each. Okay, so yeah, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas and floral on the other side. Let's just do like this. Ho, 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 and a nice journaling spot. Here comes Santa Claus with that beautiful pink. Then a nice spot to journal on the back. Hey Santa, journaling spot. Christmas Day, beautiful journaling on the back. Christmas Eve, oh, this is perfect for, it's perfect for December daily. 25 December, and that ribbon at the bottom, like pink and white, that's beautiful. That's lovely. I love the Christmas trees in this collection. Oh, that's a nice darker kind of coral color, beautiful. Pink gingham on the back of that one, that'll make a beautiful frame if you were inclined to fussy cut that out. Christmas memories, little snow globe and stripes on the back. Merry and bright, beautiful Christmas tree on the back. I love that gingerbread house. Home for the holidays. Oh, that's so sweet. Joy to the world. A nice star design again in a different color. Deck the halls, beautiful little leaf wreath there, and the sleigh on the back. Another one of those beautiful wreaths, mint green and white stars. Another gingerbread house with the script on the back. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love that one. That's one of my favorites. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And oh, the wooden frame. Okay. Making spirits bright, and then hearts on the back. Just super sweet. I love all of those. Next we have the accessory stickers. Very similar format to past collections. So you have lots of images and tabs and little wreaths, tags, some banners, some labels, those beautiful colors, and then a bunch of tiny word stickers at the bottom. I love these. I use them a lot, and they're all obviously Christmas themed. And now we are down to the 12x12 papers. So let me zoom back out. This one is called Joy to the World. Beautiful florals on the back. I'm going to fuss cut all of these, as many as I can. They're nice and separated. There's lots of white space around each cluster, so they'll be nice and easy to fuss cut out. And the B-side is a beautiful blush pink with white polka dots. The next one is called Star Bright, and again that white with the falling stars, and I'm definitely going to turn it upside down and use it like it's falling from the top. That is just absolutely stunning. And the B-side is that nice mint gingham pattern. The next one is called Oh Christmas Tree. It's that white background with all the different coloured Christmas trees all over it. It's really hard to see, but if you look really closely, all the trees are decorated with baubles, and it's super detailed, really teeny tiny detail. And then the B-side is that a little bit darker aqua with those hatched stars on them. Oh, that's so lovely. It makes such a beautiful advent calendar. Can't wait to see the off the page projects people do with this. So this one's called Countdown. Absolutely beautiful detailed countdown to Christmas. These would also make perfect numbers for your December daily. Just stunning. And the B-side is that mint green with the white trees on it. Love that mint color. This one is Happy Holidays, a beautiful wreath that I know everyone is going to fussy cut out. I know I am going to do at least one page with this fussy cut. Isn't it beautiful? Just stunning. And then the B-side is that white with the multicolored speckly polka dots. Then we have the cut apart sheet, just called Oh What Fun. A bunch of 3x4s here. This is so cute. It's a little Christmas letter to Santa with the blanks left out so you can fill it in. Oh, that's so sweet. You also have a couple of 3x3s here. You have some labels here and here, and then you have some strips. And then this one's meant to be cut up into banners. Just so sweet, beautiful. And the B-side is that script page. I love me a script text paper. Next we have Jingle All the Way, that teeny tiny floral pattern. Some really detailed teeny tiny florals on there. I mean, you could try and fussy cut that out, but it might be the end of you. And the B-side is the candy cane stripe. I love that there's some pink thrown in there. And last but certainly not least, we have Season's Greetings, which has some amazing titles. I'm going to go through and fussy cut a whole page of this. These are perfect titles. And again, nice and separated, so really easy to fussy cut out. I really love that. And the B-side is that amazing wood grain, which of course I can use wood grain any day of the week. Really nice neutral tone. I almost forgot one crucial item, and that is the specialty die cut backing kit. You get this amazing geometric Christmas tree die cut with all the backing already done for you, and the background paper with these beautiful polka dots, the sketchy border and the mixed media behind the tree, all printed on the paper. Super easy way to do a back to cut file look and mixed media look without actually doing any work. Super amazing. These are always really fun to play with. Definitely a fun addition to this collection. And that really is the last thing. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. So many beautiful goodies, such a beautiful Christmas collection. And keep an eye on my channel for projects coming soon. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.